Hey guys, it's Friday and it's I'm just on my lunch break at work, and this morning, just a short story. I know this is weird to introduce the vlog like this, but this morning when I woke up, I went to sleep at like 3 a.m. and I had to wake up at about 6-ish to drop Siaosi off to work because we've still only got one car. Anyways, and I was so tired this morning, like honestly my eyes were falling asleep on my way back home, and I almost crashed, and it gave me such an I don't know if it's an awesome prank idea, but it gave me a prank idea. So we're going to call Siaosi. I don't know how this is going to play out. I wanted to pretend to be the police officer, but I cannot put on a manly voice. So I'm going to pretend to be Dr. Manpreet from the Calvary Hospital, and we're gonna call him and prank him and tell him that I got into a serious car accident. I'm in emergency. Okay guys, so I've just come back to my workplace. I'm in the car park in the basement, and I'm just gonna put my number on private before we call. Okay, so my number is on private, and I don't know, I feel a little bit mean doing this, but I just felt bored on my way home this morning when I almost crashed at that roundabout. I just thought, oh, what a wonderful prank. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, am I speaking to Siaosi?
Oh, this is Siaosi.
Hello, you're cutting out. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello, hello?
God, give me strength, give me strength.
Hello?
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 Hello? Oh my God, shut up! I'm just muting it every time I'm laughing. Hello, we've been trying to get a hold of you. I've left a message on your phone. Siaosi, we've got your wife here in emergency room. She was involved in a very serious car accident.
Huh?
Oh my God, I can't do it. I cannot do it.
Huh?
Stop laughing! Siaosi, oh my God! Guys, I'm so sorry. I cannot do it. I can't do it. Why can't I do it? Why can't I do it? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hi, is this Siaosi?
This is Siaosi.
I just have to mute it. Siaosi.
This is Siaosi, not Siaosi.
I've just muted it, guys. I can't stand him.
Do you know Siaosi?
Siaosi, this is not a joke. I'm calling you from the emergency room because your wife has been involved in a car accident.
Okay. Goodbye, Siaosi.
Oh my God, that was the biggest fail prank ever. I'm so sorry, I couldn't give you something better. But I can't do it. I need someone else to do it for me. Anyways, he knows my voice so well. I'm gonna call him once more. Lord, give me strength. My Indian accent sucks.
Hello?
Listen, Siaosi, I'm not joking with you. I've got your wife here in emergency room. She was involved in a car accident early this morning on Gangalan Avenue. Hello?
Babe. 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 Babe.
No.
No.
Your babe. Your baby's almost dead. Honey,
Yeah.
say hi to the viewers.
Hi, viewers.
You were almost pranked again.
No.
Oh, shut up.
No. That's why I always say, I'm not. Siaosi.
Why didn't you call me this morning?
Huh?
Why didn't you call me?
Trying to call you for a little gift. Where are you?
I'm at work.
What are you doing at work?
I'm just working. So how did you know it was me?
Your voice, what do you mean?
Oh,
If you don't know, I'm here. What are you eating?
well, I look salad. I'm eating a salad. It's a tuna salad.
Chicken salad.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, yeah.
Oh, so you're not working tomorrow?
Just finished work. I'm so tired. It's 5 p.m. But I'm started at 6:30. But now I'm just finished at 5. Oh, really tired. But thanks God for His protection upon us. Victoria tried to prank me this afternoon. She called me and she said, "Is this Siaosi?" Like, "Oh yeah, this is Siaosi." And she said, "Oh, I'm not joking. Your wife is in hospital. Have a car accident." And I said, "Oh, no, thank you." I know, but I caught his prank. Woo! Hi, baby.
Hi, did you have a good prank from Dr. Manpreet?
That prank is so not good.
I was like, hello, this is Dr. Manpreet.
Good boy. Come on, boy. Get your prank. Get your prank. I'm gonna do my prank. Soon.
He's never gonna do it.
And you should like it. You like it. My prank is so worse prank. And it's so broken heart.
So I've just come to pick up Siaosi and I cannot see him anywhere. I finished work. We were both working today. Siaosi had actually a rugby game to go to today, but he's decided to put off rugby and focus on work. Gotta get them dollar bills, yo.
Bless me. Hi everyone, just finished work this Saturday. I'm so tired. Same time. Start at 7, finish at 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. I'm so tired. And I'm ready to eat a nice food tonight.
This is chicken and sausage making with amalgams, and fish with cream coconut, and char and banana.
I enjoy with dinner tonight. So good.
We didn't actually vlog today because we both worked a full day and there was nothing really to do after work, so we didn't really vlog. But if you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
And if you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,